We'll guide you through how to make a habit tracker in Capacities. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that the Capacities app is already installed on your device and ready to use. Navigate to the Object Types section from the sidebar. Click the plus icon. From the available options, choose Create Your Own. For this example, enter Weekly Habit Tracker as the object type name. In the plural name field, type Weekly Habit Trackers. Click the Create Object Type button. Next, click the New button to open the object. Click the three dots icon and select Object Type Settings. Keep the default properties that cannot be removed. Delete the content property by clicking the trash icon. Type delete all content in the confirmation field, then click delete property. After that, click add property and choose text. Name the property activity, then click create. Click add property again and choose checkbox. Enter Mon as the property name to represent Monday, then click create. Continue adding additional checkbox properties until every day of the week is included. Close the settings window, then open Weekly Habit Trackers again. Click the New button to create your first habit entry. Enter Habit 1 as the title. In the Activity field, type Read a Book as an example. Close the window, then return to Weekly Habit Trackers. Click the gallery icon and switch the layout to Table View. If the tags column is unnecessary, hide it to keep the table cleaner and easier to read. Check the checkbox under the appropriate day whenever you complete the activity. To track another habit, click New Object and create a new entry. Repeat the same process for additional activities, such as meditate. Continue updating the habit tracker every day by checking the appropriate boxes for each completed activity.